Recently we bought a new camera, which is the Canon EOS R6, because our old camera, which is a 5D and it's really great, is missing just a few features we really want to have. And the new camera has these features and we want to show them in a few short shots. The first thing that the 5D was not able to do is to use it as a vlogging cam. The R6 is perfect for this. As you can see, it is totally still, it detects my face, and I have a front screen so I can see what I'm actually vlogging, and you see the focus is rather perfect while I'm walking through the forest. The 5D was much too heavy to carry it around with you in one hand, and the R6 is so light you can just pull it in the air like it would be a GoPro. The 5D was limited to 60 frames per second, while the R6 can do 120 frames per second. The R6 has a continuous autofocus, which is really great, because our 5D had to close the shutter when you're walking to refocus. And finally, the R6 has a 4K mode, so we can do cropping and panning and find the right spot.